This AI will replace your entire video editing team. Snapcut turns boring 60-minute videos into addictive short-form content instantly. In this video, I'll show you how it works. Snapcut is a smart tool that uses AI to easily turn your long videos into short clips for social media. Snapcut AI makes video editing quick and easy by getting rid of the boring and slow parts. Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab. On this channel, I bring you everything about AI and online tools that you can use in your daily workflow. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more content. Now let me show you how Snapcut works and how you can use it. Step 1. Upload your video or drop a link. Snapcut can handle any type of video, like a podcast, educational video, commentary, product review, or motivational speech. Step 2. The AI does its magic. Snapcut AI algorithm looks at your video and picks out important parts to keep your viewers interested. You can change the highlights yourself, or let the AI choose the best ones. Step 3. You can edit the short videos and change the size, style, and color of the subtitles. Snapcut can create short videos in all sizes, so you can post the same video on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels.
Well, the amazing thing about this technology is we know it can help in key areas. We know it can create like educational tutors. A lot of great pilot work. Several projects here in India. Sal Khan in the US is the one that may have started the first and is showing great results on that. So the potential is incredible. And if we knew that all it did was make a lot of jobs, say, 3 times more productive, so doctors are 3 times more productive. So, the demand for more people to see doctors and get good advice, that's probably good. For software, we'll still need those software engineers. We may take some of the extra productivity for quality, some for quantity, but we're not going to, start not needing software engineers. The fact that over time, and we don't know the rate of improvement, and there doesn't seem to be an upper bound. If it gets so that it's a complete replacement, that it can do all the medical advice or it can do all the coding, that's a world of excess where, it's got to be wonderful in the sense that, handicapped people, old people, you're, taking care of them, you're shortening the work week. But you can get to a point where the very organizing principles of society and the whole philosophy about what you value, that world of excess, which I personally think won't come in the next 20 years, but I can't guarantee that.
To use this tool is super easy. Simply follow the link in the description of this video and sign up using your email. Then you can share your content to the world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.